Unless you have an app on your phone that allows you to log into Skyward, you will want to go to the Allen High School webpage to access your Skyward account. Right now, on the Allen High School webpage, there is a link on the bottom left-hand side that says 2013-2014 Course Selection Process. Here you will find the PowerPoint that we used in all of the presentations, as well as information on JROTC, the Academic Planning Guide, as well as click sheets on how to access your information in both Skyward and Naviance. It's right here. Skyward is where you will find your transcript, credit monitoring form, and will actually request your courses for next year. Naviance is where you will find any application forms that you may need for an application course, as well as information on tryouts. So, what should you be looking for first once you're in your Skyward account? You should look on the left-hand side of your screen to see Portfolio. Click on Portfolio and you'll find your transcript and your credit monitoring form. You will need to view these documents to see what courses you still need to graduate. Remember also that at the top of the screen it should say Allen High School and not Lowry. When looking at your credit monitoring form, you will need to determine what you need for classes in both the fall and spring semesters, such as you see here. So, when looking at this credit monitoring form, the orange indicates what the student is enrolled in this semester, the yellow indicates courses that this student will want to select for next year. It's a good idea for you to plan your classes by highlighting on your own form what you need to take to make it easier to see what you still need for graduation. You will also want to look ahead to future years to make sure that you're going to have enough room in your schedule to take what you need each year in order to graduate. Now you're ready to go and click on the courses you would like to request. In Skyward, you will click on the link that says Courses for 2013-2014. What you will see is a list of all of the courses that are available for you to take at Allen High School for next year. You're going to want to select Update Requests to start selecting your courses. To select a course, simply highlight it and then click on Add Course and it'll move it to the right hand side. Most of the full year courses will be pulled over in both semesters automatically. Now, looking at the example of the courses selected, there are several things to take note of as this is still incorrect. The first thing that you'll need to take note of is that there are not 16 lines presented. You'll see that there is a fall and spring for everything on this list except for the off-campus periods. The next thing that you should notice is that we don't know which choir this student will be placed in for next year, so the student simply chose the generic choir. Counselors will fix this once the acceptance list is given to them. This is true for all of our fine arts audition courses. If you are applying for a class, you will need to select application course from the top of the list. You can get to this by typing A down in the course key description search filter and hitting search. You will need to select whether the application course is a single class period, such as here 1.0, or a double blocked course 2.0. Once you've selected your course request, you will also need to select your alternates by going to the Alternates tab. They will be listed in order of preference, which you can move up and down to fit your preference by using these two links here. When you're finished, to review what you've selected, simply go to the Selected tab. Make sure that you have 8 courses selected for the fall and 8 courses selected for the spring, including your off periods, which should give you a total of 16 courses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You will also want to have at least 3 alternates, as indicated here. There will not be a Submit button. If you need to make changes, just go back to the Update Request tab and make the necessary changes. However, after March 1st, you will no longer have access to make these changes. March 1st is this Friday. So if you're making an application course, you'll need to go into your Naviance account at this point and print out and complete your application by the published deadline on the forms. Thanks.